Hi, my name's Art Turner, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the craving cycle. So let's start by talking about triggers. We have thinking triggers. What a thinking trigger is thinking about the act of using drugs or alcohol. And usually, what one does is think about the pleasurable effects and block out the negative consequences that were associated with substance use. That's what we call euphoric recall. Then we have feeling triggers. That could be any emotion that could trigger the thought of using, like sadness, frustration, boredom, that sort of thing, anger. And then we have environmental triggers, and that would be any place, any person that reminds us of using. So these are different types of triggers, and what makes a trigger is the association. So anything that happened just prior to or simultaneous to the act of using can be a trigger. Now, triggers are usually what gets us into the craving cycle. And the sooner that we can acknowledge the fact that we've been triggered and divert our attention away from that thought of using, the easier it is to get out of the craving cycle. The longer we entertain that thought of using, the deeper we get into the craving cycle. We get to the point where it becomes an obsession, to where that's all we can think about. Then it moves to the compulsive stage. That's when we're starting to check our money, we're looking for the dealer's phone number, or we're in the car on our way to the liquor store. At that point in time, it's very difficult to pull yourself out of the craving cycle. So my recommendation is to distract yourself as soon as you have a thought of using. That way you can exit the craving cycle much sooner and much easier. Thank you.